guys, it's your girl Kelly here. So I am here to do a teeth whitening video. So if you are interested in seeing how I get my teeth nice and pearly, or if you're interested in at-home teeth whitening companies or methods, go ahead and keep watching.
Hey, Kelly.
Here to do a review and a brief demo on the Smile Brilliant teeth whitening system. So I was contacted by this company to do a review on this product, and I agreed. And I also have a giveaway for you guys, so stay to the end if you're interested in seeing the video. And again, my name is Kelly. I do luxury videos, beauty, lifestyle, things like that. If you are interested in that sort of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can join the fam. And if you are not new to the channel, or even if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that alert bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is quite often. Contacted by this company to do a review on their teeth whitening system, and you guys often leave me lovely comments, you know, asking me, somebody even asked me if these are my real teeth, like, and it wasn't a shady comment. They said like, oh, your teeth are so nice, you know, those are your real teeth, you have veneers, which these are my real teeth. I do not have veneers. I actually did want to get veneers for like a while, but I don't think it's just for me, because they shave down your teeth, and I do preemptive measures to keep my teeth white. One, I do not smoke. I do not smoke cigarettes. I do not smoke cigars, anything like that. I do not drink red wine. I do not drink coffee. I really don't even drink tea. All of those things it stains your teeth. So the company contacted me. I was sent a kit. They sent me the materials to make the molds for my teeth whitening kit. So I sent the molds in. They have stellar customer service. They sent me the tracking when the kit was coming in the mail, when they received the molds. I mean, just a really good customer service. So when the molds came in, like I said, they were custom to my teeth. Here are mine, and you get 3 to 4 of these syringes that has the teeth bleaching gel or teeth whitening gel in them, as well as a desensitizing gel. So you use the teeth whitening gel first, then you go over with the desensitizing gel. So in each syringe you have about 3 to 4 uses. So don't use the whole one thinking that the whole one is for one session. It's not, okay? And you will have entirely too much in there, and it will ooze out, and it'll be a big mess. So just use a little bit, put it all the way around, stick it up in your mouth. So here they are. This is my tops. And my bottoms. So you bleach for about 45 minutes, up to 3 hours. And like I said, after you go over the teeth whitening, then you go over with the desensitizing gel, and you just leave that in there for about 25 minutes. And overall the product works. I mean, my teeth were noticeably whiter, I would say, after the second time. I have done like Zoom whitening and at-home teeth whitening strips and stuff that is over the counter. Overall, I like this product. It works. My teeth were noticeably whitened. It's professional. You have the molds custom made to you, and it's very cost effective. Like I said, the Zoom is hundreds of dollars. This product, under 200 bucks. Okay, and I'll link the price in the description bar and, you know, in the video as well. So there you have it. So if you are interested in purchasing a at-home professional teeth whitening kit, go ahead in the description bar, click the link, order yours from Smile Brilliant. Great customer service. Nothing bad to say about the company. Now, if you're interested in entering my giveaway to win your very own Smile Brilliant system, right here, this is what you have to do. So first things first, follow me on Instagram at KellyCorinne_. Follow Smile Brilliant on their Instagram. Comment in this. So that's what you have to do to enter the giveaway. Good luck, guys. I'm watching to see my before and after photos of my teeth, so you can see how they have gotten white through the progression. All right, guys. See you guys later in another video. Bye-bye.